this quick and short video, we want to show you how to use click vinyl floor. We are using Laminate Click 30 vinyl for our floor. Thanks to the click system, just quick and easy to install the new floor. Here you can see some specs and details about this vinyl. This is how the floor plates look in detail, from the front and back. We were just putting our new floor above the old one. This is how it looks like in action. We were leaving some space from the wall because we are going to use sidebars to hide the sides later anyway. You can measure and cut the floor with a box cutter easily. There is no need to use a saw or any other tool to cut them. Just break the floor along the marked cutting line. And this is how to install the floor with the easy click system. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe for daily new videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.